Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download Dayforce payroll app on your Android device within 2 minutes. Alright, now I said Android device, but you can also download it on your Apple device. Alright, so in Android device you're going to be using Play Store, whereas in Apple device you're going to be using App Store, but the steps are going to be same. Alright, so just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you go on your Play Store. If you're using Apple phone, you want to go on your App Store, and on your App Store you want to search for Dayforce, and on your Play Store you also want to search for Dayforce. Click on the search icon, search for Dayforce. Once you search for Dayforce, you're going to see Dayforce with this logo. Make sure it says this logo. Click on install, and on your Apple phone it's going to show you the get button, so click on get. Once you click on get, it's gonna ask you to verify your Apple ID. So you need to enter the password of your Apple ID. After entering the password of your Apple ID, if the password is correct, the Dayforce app will start to download. Once the Dayforce app starts to download, after the download is complete, it's gonna install. You don't have to click on any install button. It's gonna install automatically just like this as well. Once it completes installing, you can open it to use it. All right. So yeah, that's how we guys can download and install Dayforce app. Now I can click on open, and this app will open and I can use it. So that's how you guys can download Dayforce on your phone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.